Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clear the cache on the Roku TV using two easy methods that I'm about to show you in this video. So the easiest way for you to clear the temporary cache is by restarting the Roku system completely. For that, you just have to do nothing but to just simply go to the settings of your Roku TV. Inside the settings, you just have to go to system. Then inside the system, you just have to go to the advanced system settings. Inside advanced system settings, you are going to see the option of factory reset, or you are also going to see the option of system restart. So if your Roku TV doesn't show the power menu, you just have to simply unplug the TV from the power for about 1 minute before turning it back on. And this particular step is going to refresh the temporary memory, and it will also clear the background processes that may be slowing the TV down. Now the method 2, you just have to simply use the Roku remote. So Roku TVs also support a hidden button sequence that refreshes the system cache. So the hidden sequence looks something like this. So using this particular Roku TV remote, you just have to first of all press the home button 5 times. Afterwards, you just have to press the up button 1 time. Then you just have to press the rewind button for 2 times, and then you just have to press the fast forward button further 2 times. So you need to do it, and the screen may freeze briefly, and the Roku TV should restart automatically after a few moments. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.